Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to how to make a real chat application using PHP with MySQL and JavaScript. Let's start step by step. Already my Gem server started Apache and MySQL. And this my channel Error Solution. This playlist real chat application in PHP step by step all video uploaded. Please subscribe and bell icon click the my channel. Let's start. This my Gem server inside htdoc folder. Inside this project name PHP setup. This my project name. Let's check this project name and open the Sublime text editor. This project open Sublime text editor successfully. This project add all project. Let's start this run project localhost PHP set PHP set app. This successfully run. This project name successfully good working. Let's start localhost PHP my admin successfully open this latest version PHP 8.1.2. Let's start step by step. First of all, this create new database name is PHP set app underscore db. Let's start new. Click the new button inside new database name, insert and this create. Successfully create PHP set db successfully create. Click this database name inside new table create. First table name users column number 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This 7 and click the go button. Successfully 7 column available. Let's start step by step. Field available user underscore id unique underscore id app name l name email and last password inside last status. The status successfully add. Status mean online offline user. This status first id inside 1 this primary key index inside primary key. Go the button click and auto increment short name al. Click the auto increment. Successfully add unique id this varchar 255 in this null id. First name means app name 255 this null. Short name app name means first name. L name varchar 255 null means last name short name al name. This user email 255 in null. Password varchar 255 in null and last status varchar 255 and null. All set and comment box. This comment box inside status. This status field this comment box online offline now and online status to status available. Let's check all set. User table and go save the button. Click this save button. Successfully this database name PHP set app underscore inside first table create. This all set user unique id first name all set. This all row. Second table this new create message PHP. Click this new button. Click database inside new button. Click this and table name is messages. For row add this. Click already for row already add this by default for row add message id incoming message id outgoing message id and last only message. All set. 11 and as default none. Primary key, click this primary key and go the button click and auto increment means short name AL. Let's click this auto increment AL name. This incoming and outgoing message varchar and last varchar 255 and 255. This none and none. All set and click the save button. Successfully 2 table create. This set database single inside 2 table create. All step by step add this. All step by step add. Let's start this video. New folder create. This PHP CSS inside this project, my name inside new folder create. Folder name is PHP. New folder create PHP. Inside new file create. Successfully folder create PHP. This blank folder inside new file create. File name is config.php. config.txt remove and PHP. Successfully file create. This file is blank file. This file blank file successfully create. Let's start this database connection. PHP start and end $host name is equal to localhost. Successfully host name add. Username $username my variable name username. This root my name. New variable create. Password is equal to blank. This password not available. My database name db name. This my variable no create. db name is equal to this db name. Successfully create. Let's check this db name. Add db name. This add db name successfully add. Connection means .con means short name. Connect node means short name con. MySQL connect. This first variable copy this variable and paste here. Second variable username this paste here. Third variable $password. Successfully add and last variable $db name and add. If this connection add, this dot can add and successfully add. This successfully connection add echo database connection error dot MySQL connect error. Successfully this connection set. Good working. All step by step this connection. This localhost by password root password and database name. Successfully add this PHP inside new file create config.php. Let's open the index.php file. This project my file. This project file in index.php file. First name, this last name, email, password, profile, and all step by step add. This all add. Let's check step by step add. This icon add. This FA icon add. This password not available. Let's start this I is not available. This I is not available. Let's add this I icon. I class fs faeye. Successfully I add save file and refresh this page. Successfully I add inside this css add css file include this icss. This icss successfully include this button. Successfully add and include header inside css style.css. Successfully add dot file. Let's start this index.php. Let's start script. JavaScript src inside js inside new file create file name is pass show hide .js. Let's set this inside this js folder create. Let's check this back icon, click this css inside new folder create this js folder. Successfully create js folder. Successfully add this js folder. Successfully add inside new file create file name is this file name password this js. Password js new file create. Open this js folder inside new file create js file .js index remove. Successfully add. Let's check database username inside this name inside this password inside image not a add. This image not a first name last name email password image missing this image. Let's add this structure this password, click this database name, click this and username, click this user table inside structure inside this password and go button this click and image this varchar and 255 and null. Save the button this click. Successfully add this user. Successfully add this image and missing this image, sorry my bro, this image add. All step by step add. Let's save this file and add this js file new create file name is password show hide this password. This file open this file blank. Let's open this file blank. Let's start step by step js add. This file index file include password show and hide. Const p short name variable name password means short name password field this short name. Document dot query selector this form is this form, this copy this form section inside form, this class name sector inside this input type, this input type password, this copy and paste here. This type means add this add. This single quote available. Let's single quote add this password. Successfully add and last is add. Enter the toggle toggle icon, document, query selector, this dot form, this variable dot form, inside this field name, this field inside this I this I field inside this I. Successfully add this JavaScript, successfully add toggle icon, click this, on click this add if this variable create, already this variable create dot type is equal to password, this password add, and else part, this else part, this copy name and paste here, this copy and paste name, successfully add this copy name, this text is active, toggle icon, class list dot add active, successfully add and this copy name and paste here, this password close, this paste here, this remove, successfully add, all set, this include this file. Let's check, refresh this page, my app, successfully refresh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 all add this password, click this, successfully save password, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this hide password, this show and hide password, this hide and show password, successfully this add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, successfully click this show password, good working, and refresh this page, successfully add, all step by step add this JS file inside, add this active and remove, successfully add this click icon, class list remove, else part, all field add, this JS file inside list, next JS file add this index PHP script, src, this JS inside signing JS, sign up dot js, new file create, this file name is sign up js, let's start this new file create, this my project inside js, inside new file create, this file is the create, successfully create, sign up this blank file, let's check, successfully blank file, this file successfully add, and this file, let's start step by step code, add sign up PHP, const new variable create form is equal to document dot query sector this class name signup. Let's check signup class add. This signup class add, this class sector inside signup class add, and paste here this form class, this inside this form. Successfully add. Continue button btn, short name btn, is equal to this variable. Copy this variable and paste here this query sector inside this button dot button. Open this index file, this button, copy this name inside this input button inside input. Successfully add error txt text form query sector. This error message already include. Let's check error message. This error text. Copy this class name dot error text add form submit. On submit is equal to this prevent dot prevent default. Successfully add. Continue btn, this variable create continue btn first form, this add continue btn dot on click is equal to is blank. Successfully add let access are new. This request successfully add. Step by step this request add. This variable, copy this variable and paste here. Open post method, post this PHP inside, create this file signup.php, new file create signup.php, PHP folder open, inside new file create signup.php. Let's open and create successfully signup.php. Create this file, blank file. Let's check this file PHP inside this file, blank file. Let's true, this double quote, single quote remove and double quote and true. Successfully create true. This variable open onload is equal to onload if xr, this variable add this xr dot ready state is equal to this name add done. If xr dot status add is equal to 200 error, this add let data, this variable add ready to response add if data success is equal to add else part successfully add localhost local location dot sref is equal to new file create user dot php. Successfully this file create user dot php. This folder inside this project inside let's start new file not available. This new file create successfully user dot php. This file create this file blank. Open this signing file else part error text dot style display dot display is equal to block. Let's check error text content is equal to data this add last variable add this for inside this add let from data is equal to new from data this form name is add successfully add this variable create copy this variable and paste here dot send from data this variable successfully set. Let's open this file sign up file php inside new create php inside sign up this black file open the step by step code add this insert query step by step all php code add. Let's start php start first file database connection include once this successfully this file add config.php this php inside this file create config.php add this file add successfully inside successfully add this file add config.php include. Let's start first variable f name is equal to MySQL real escape string dollar this include this config file open inside this variable con this paste here this post method dollar post f name successfully add f name this index file open this post method inside this f name add successfully this post method copy this and paste here this l name this new variable create inside this l name add second email copy this email and paste here this new variable create this email post method create this name email successfully email add last password copy and paste here this password. In this password add successfully name password. Successfully post method password. If is empty app name and empty last name this last name add and empty this email and empty password $password. Successfully add $password. Successfully $password and else part echo all input field are required. This field all required. Let's check if filter variable add this $email. $email add and file validate email. This validate check. Successfully add and else part add echo $email is not a valid email. This email not valid. $new variables clear SQL MySQL query. This select query $con this connection con select from table name is this table name user table name this user table name this select query this username this table name user where capital where email is equal to $email. This email add $email and close this. If MySQL number rows this variable add $SQL add copy and paste here and 0 else part add this else part add inside echo $email this email already exist successfully set. And if this inside if asset file files image. Let's check this asset inside this image. Copy name and paste here this image. This not available, else part. New variable create img image name is equal to dollar files capital files this image inside name. This name here, copy this and paste here this type. Copy and paste here and variable name change type this tmp name this tmp name successfully add tmp name. This file export successfully file export. This 2 line add successfully add. This variable add and this variable create inside this variable add. New variable create dot extension this new variable create dollar extension here is equal to file name jpeg and png and jpg. This extension available. This photos upload. Variable create if inside in array successfully in array create this, copy this variable dollar variable inside this extension here. Successfully extension add. No, not a type add. This extension add is equal to true. This true. Successfully add. Else part this else part add echo please upload an image file jpeg png and jpg. This add inside this coding start dollar new create dollar type new variable create dollar type successfully image add this image type, copy and paste here this image type not a dollar available image type this not available image jpg copy name and again add jpg copy name, and again png successfully all add extension. Inside new variable, new condition if create if in array this add $type and this type. Else part create is equal to true. Else part create, this else part create password, this name same name add and paste here. Successfully add this else part create. All set. This time $time new variable create $time new variable create new image name is equal to $time variable already this copy and dot this name. Successfully add. If move to upload file, this add tmt name, copy this name and paste here. Name add, successfully this name add. New folder create images and dot this new folder, copy and paste here. Successfully add this else part create this else part echo something went wrong please try again. Set this message set. This file include image include this random add. This new variable create this name random add. Successfully add status online. This create status online. This password md5 password create. This password successfully md5 create. A new variable create this insert query. All successfully insert query. Include insert query, this insert query. This insert query add. Successfully insert query add. This database name, username, this table name, this user table name, insert query. This database connection, this connection username, first unique id, name, last name, email, password, image and status. All field step by step add. This render number id, this render time, this id first, this inside, this first name, this name variable, this name add. Last name, this last name, email password and email password, this encrypted password, this add. An image, this image successfully add. New image name, this variable my mistake, to news image. Copy and paste here new image name change. My name is different. And status, successfully this status add. This same status inside this image, password inside this password, email inside this email. Name, this name, and first name, this first name, render, this render. All dynamic, this column is database column, this field name, all add. If this new folder create last time, if copy this variable and paste here, query copy and paste here this second query, this sector select query. This select query, all set. This add, successfully add implement. This query says add, this last button, this add, missing this add inside this else part. This add inside else part, something wrong, wait, else part add, this remove. This add, successfully add. This add, successfully add. Inside new field add, this all step by step add. Inside this include, successfully add, all set. All set. This else, all set. This set, this start inside this else part. This part is else part not available. This else part not available. Only single part available, not available. This else part. All set. And this and all step by step. This image folder create, save file, this image folder inside this PHP, inside image folder create, open the PHP folder, inside new folder create, folder name images, this folder name, successfully this folder name create, images, successfully create. This folder is the blank. Let's check and refresh this browser. Not available. Refresh this browser, successfully refresh. First name error, name solution, email test@gmail.com, password 1234567889. This show password, successfully show. Profile picture select, this girl select and continues. Successfully this blank file is available. This refresh this page, successfully entry available. This online status, successfully good working. This file is blank. This file is the blank, good working. Let's next again refresh this page. Next again this email already add, check this email. Again this refresh email, second test demo and password 1234567 8, and again check on email available. This message already exists, this email already available, this database already available. Validation all good, this working, all fine, this good working, not available. This email is sent 01 and submit, successfully good working, this submit, this working, this file. Next video working this file, step by step add, all step by step add, this coding all add, this coding add, successfully add all coding. Let's check all coding add. This image already include 2 images. Let's check successfully 2 images. Add this 2 entry available in database, 2 image available, this image 2 image folder available. Successfully add this 2 entry, different email name. Let's check all step by step writing this all code, all good working, all step by step add user this blank file, signing this password show, config database all set, this index file all show. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.